The purpose of this training is to learn about STAR assessments from Renaissance. STAR assessments are given to students in reading and math. They are web-based assessments and they are adaptive, meaning the questions will increase in difficulty depending on how the students answer, or they will get easier depending on how the students answer. In order for a student to be able to take the STAR assessment, they have to be in the STAR system. They should already be there automatically. However, if you do not see a student in the system, you can contact the assessment facilitator to get that student into the system. In order to get student logins and passwords, you will need to log in and get a password report, or you can get a password report from your designated building contact, or you can contact the assessment facilitator if you need help in finding that report. If a student is unable to read and knows fewer than 100 sight words, instead of taking STAR reading and math, they may take the STAR early literacy assessment. It's very similar to STAR reading and math. However, it is for students who are not yet able to read. In order to administer the STAR assessment, you will need to navigate to this link. The link is site-specific to the district, so please make sure you use that link exactly, especially the number at the end. If you Google Renaissance STAR assessments, you'll find other login pages, but they will be for other districts. For a student to take the test, they'll click I'm a student, and they'll log in with the username and password that you have provided them. For the teacher to log in, they will click on I'm a teacher or administrator. You will log in with the provided username and password. And then in order to retrieve your student's password report, you'll click on your name in the top right and manage apps and users. And you will click on users. And then you will look for a password report. For a student to log in and take the test, they will click on the I'm a student button. They will log in using the username and password that you have provided them. And they will see STAR reading, STAR early literacy, and STAR math. They'll click on the assessment that they are going to take. And they will be asked to enter the monitor password. The monitor password is admin, ADMIN. They'll click start. And they will be given several practice questions that are basically just, here's how you take the test. It is important that they answer these questions correctly, because if they do not, they will not be allowed to go on and take the assessment. Once they have answered these questions, however, they will be taken into the full assessment. Again, this is an adaptive assessment, which will increase in difficulty with more correct answers and decrease in difficulty with more wrong answers. And it should level out at the correct level for the student. For a link to the STAR assessments, you can go to SSD Life under the Schools and Academic Programs section, the Curriculum and Professional Development section, and then the SSD Schools Assessment section. At the bottom of that section, there is a link for STAR testing, which will take you directly to that website. If you have any questions, you can always contact your building contact, or you can contact anybody in the curriculum department, and we'd be happy to help you out.